Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get it all done with me. I will be tackling some things on my list for today that I need to get done, and it's not a lot of stuff, but I did accomplish it and got it done, and I'm so proud of myself. I've been procrastinating a lot lately, and yeah, so what I'm doing right now is the start of my spring cleaning. So what I'm doing is removing my furniture because trash, all kinds of stuff seems to get trapped underneath the sofas. So what I'm doing is cleaning that area, and I'm going to be mopping it, dusting it, getting all the dog hairs and stuff up. Since I have a dog now, dog hair does get piled up underneath there and in the cracks and corners and stuff. So this is the start of my spring cleaning. This is not the full thing. This is just like a little head start for me. And so I'm going to clean underneath the sofas, and then I'm going to vacuum and mop. And I'm going to also move my my fireplace, and clean underneath there as well. And later on this week, I will be tackling the rest of the home. Oh, also, I'm going to be cleaning my window sills. So that was very dusty, and I didn't want to have to move the couch again. So I just went head on and just did that. So as far as this couch, now, I have a rug underneath here, so it's very hard to get the rug from underneath the couch and then putting the rug back. So what I did was flip the couch over. That way I can get, all the trash that's, caught up underneath there. And then, just push the sofa right back, so I don't have to remove the rug and stuff. Now, if I really want to really deep clean, I would have to, clean underneath that rug. And what I do is sometimes flip the rug over and try to clean underneath it as best as I can. But it's just a lot of work removing this sofa and moving the rug, and then moving the rug back and moving the sofa back. It's just a lot. This sofa is very, very heavy. As you can see, it has metal at the bottom, and so I cannot do it by myself. And my husband's been very busy lately with work and with baseball and stuff like that. So yeah, so I wanted to get this done, and so I just did it the easy way. But it was very hard, to move the sofa, like that as well. So so just imagine trying to move it off the rug, and moving the rug and doing all that. Just too much. So now I'm going to do my entertainment center. That stuff gets trapped underneath there as well. Like I said, I have a dog, I have kids, and trash just magically appears underneath sofas and behind things, and I just don't know how, but it just does. So I'm going to clean behind there.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess.
I'm going to vacuum this rug because a little bit of dirt and dust and stuff like that ended up getting on there as I was cleaning. So I'm going to vacuum that and put my furniture back.
Only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you?
So my to-do list is making some treat bags for my son's baseball team. So my husband is the coach of my son's baseball team, and the boys, they won their first game. So we wanted to do something a little special for them, letting them know that we're proud of them. So I decided to just do something that's very cost ineffective, and I made some treat bags. So I got these treat bags from Party City, and they were I want to say $4 for 20 bags, and I think it's 12 or 13 kids, so it was more than enough bags. And I got some candy from Walmart, and I fill the bags up with candy, and just a little token of appreciation and saying that we're proud of them for accomplishing and winning their first game. Something simple, something, cute, and, the boys, I'm sure, is going to love it. Video scripture comes from 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4 through 7, and it says, "Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always preserves." So these tree bags came with some little ties. So what I'm going to do is just kind of like twist the top and put the little twist ties on it to seal off the bag. And like I said, it's a little cute, inexpensive way to, give the boys treats. Last but not least, I am going to be making a wreath for my aunt. So she picked the colors out, and I'm just doing, this wreath per her request. She wanted these colors, so I'm starting off with putting some brown. Well, usually I use burlap, but this was some mesh. This is brown mesh. You can either use brown mesh or brown burlap if you want to achieve this exact look or a similar look. You can always change the colors up if you want. But I'm using some brown mesh, and you can look on YouTube on how to do this. I know I'm moving a little fast on here. I figured you guys wouldn't want to just watch me just weave this through this wreath. So I just I'm going to speed it up and just kind of like give y'all a concept of what I'm doing. And yeah, so I'm just putting the mesh inside of the wire. So this wreath wire I got from Dollar Tree. So you can really make this wreath cost effective if you really wanted to. Now I'm going to seal that wreath off in the back so that it's secure, and I'm going to add some red ribbon on top. So she wanted to add some red on top because that's like the colors that she have in her home. So I'm going to I'm going to use some I think it's called flower wire, or I'm not, garden wire. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's like a little bit of, it's some wire that you use to like make flowers or bouquets with. And I think it was like $2 at Hobby Lobby. I want to say Walmart sell it as well. Michael's for sure sells it. And what I'm doing is I'm looping the ribbon, and then I'm adding the wire to secure it so that it will not move. So to top the wreath off, I'm going to add this bow that I got from Hobby Lobby, already made. It was on sale for like $2. I was so excited. And so if you don't know how to make a bow, or you struggle like me making these bows, you can buy the bow already made at Hobby Lobby. Now they may not have your color, but this did. You know, she was satisfied and happy with it, and this is the end result, y'all. I added more red ribbon on the sides, and it's a little messy, I see, as the end result on here, but I did fix it and fluff it out. So you guys, thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.